Other than Shohei and Vladdy, is there anyone else that can win World Series MVP?
Trey Savage. If Savage comes in, how well he pitched the other day, if he pitches well and throws multiple innings and get the Blue Jays close to the finish line and they win, I think you're Savage.
November 1st, day 34 of our challenge. Toronto Blue Jays and the Los Angeles Dodgers face off. Game 7 of the World Series is being played in Toronto right now. It is live. I believe the Toronto Blue Jays will wrap this game up and be the World Series champions, something they haven't accomplished in over 34 years. I referenced the Red Sox 2004 run. This is nothing like it. Red Sox came back to win 4 games straight after being down 3. But the Toronto Blue Jays definitely impressed everyone this season, so I'm going to go ahead and advance to say congratulations. If you guys are watching it, I don't give a fuck if the Dodgers are up a run or two. Take the Toronto Blue Jays.